Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will read a poem named Bangle Sellers by Sarojini Naidu. So let's get started. Let us know about the poetess. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She was an Indian political activist and poet. A proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti imperialistic ideas, she was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India. Naidu's poetry includes both children's poems and others written on more serious themes including patriotism, romance, and tragedy. Published in 1912 in the bazaars of Hyderabad, remains one of her most popular poems. She died of a cardiac arrest on 2nd March 1949. So now let us read the poem. The Bangle Sellers. Bangle sellers are we, who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles of light, lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives? In the very first stanza of Bangle Sellers, she refers to the bangle sellers. The bangle sellers narrate their labor to bear the shining loads of bangles to the temple fair. They know that it is an easy spot to locate women of every age there. Naidu then gives an analysis of those bangles as delicate, bright, rainbow tinted circles of light. The bangle sellers are as if scattering the 7 colors of the rainbow of joy through their calls. Thus, they are selling the bangles to their prospective buyers. The bangle sellers call their bangles as lustrous tokens of radiant lives. These bangles can be a bait to bring happiness and laughter in the lives of joyous wives and joyous daughters, that is, women of all ages. Mentioning the bangles to be the lustrous tokens of women's lives, Naidu indulges all her concern into the projection of the different stages of a woman's life from early childhood. The circles of light, meaning the bangles, become the very symbol of a woman's total lifespan. Some are made for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that cleaves to the limpid glory of newborn lips. In the second stanza, Naidu uses a beautiful imagery in which she describes some of the bangles as blue and silvery. Here she compares them to the beautiful landscape of the mountain mist. She says that such bangles are for the maiden's wrist. This metaphorically symbolizes the purity and chastity of an unmarried girl with these blue and silver bangles. Some bangles, she says, are flushed red in color like the newborn birds that hang on the brows of the woodland stream. Also, some bangles are there which are colored in light green, just as bright as newborn lips. All such colors symbolizes the joyful status of the prime of youth in every maiden's life. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bride on the bridal morn. Some like the flame of her marriage fire, or reach the hue of her heart's desire, tinkling, luminous, tender, and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. The third stanza starts with a pictorial image. The poet describes bangles which are colored with rich yellow like the fields of sunlit corns. These bangles of the bangle sellers depict the major stage of a woman's life when she becomes a bride. The color yellow thus refers to the boundless happiness of a would-be bride on her wedding morn. All these bridal bangles are described as tinkling, luminous, as well as tender and clear. This refers to the bright and splendid laughter of a bride. It also signifies her pure and tender tears for leaving her umbilical relations behind to go to her in-laws. Some are purple and gold flecked grey, for she who has journeyed through life midway, whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradled fair sons on her faithful breast, and serves her household in fruitful pride, and worships the gods at her husband's side. The final stanza reflects the next stage of a woman's life after getting married. Bangles with purple color and gold flecked grey suit a middle-aged women, according to Naidu. She says that purple is a color of pride and royal living. A woman gains such pride in her middle age after coming across to such crucial stages of life like bridehood, motherhood. A woman who wears these purple bangles has struggled her life midway through rearing children. She also supported her husband as well as the entire family. Such a middle-aged woman also wears bangles of gold-flecked grey, as grey symbolizes the wisdom and maturity of her age. Also, her victorious sustenance through the various difficulties of life is projected by the color of gold. It marks her maturity as well as her womanhood. Hope you all have liked the video. Thank you.